Hello, hello, hello again. I'm here. Nagugutom na ako. I just finished the balcony. And then, I removed the mga bed cover and I changed the bed sheet of the room of Madam. And now, I'm feel hungry, so I must to eat first. And after that one I ate, I make the room of Celine. I do the room of Celine. The room of Celine, when I finish the room of Celine, so the room of Madam naman I make it. So now, it's it's right time first to eat. This one is my breakfast. I eat rice. It's make me hungry na talaga, as in. So rice ako, rice. Nakita ko sa rice. Rice muna tayo. Luma naman ako. I have my old phone. The talada, so that's what I do. I eat. And it's empty. So, adi na yan. Normal na yan. Normal food. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the food that I have now. Eat my breakfast. Breakfast, kasama na lunch. Kasi what time is it? Almost 10 na yata. Kaya ganon. Kaya kailangan muna kumain. Ay, naku. Meron kaming mga ano ba yan? Meron kaming we have a small mosquito from the balcony. Our balcony is too much mosquito. You know what? It's too much mosquito talaga, really. I'm not liar. I'm just telling mosquito, too much mosquito in our, what's that? In our balcony. Kaya ganun. So, kain tayo, kain muna. Grabe na kagutom. I'm very hungry. Of course, I'm very hungry because just imagine I wake up at 4:30 until now. Oh, nag-drink lang ako ng shay-shay. Kaya ngayon, kain muna tayo. Kain muna. Pagkatapos kain, ayan. Go. And work na naman. Sunod-sunod na yan. I-finish only the room of Celine. When I finish. Para I'm sure I'm late to finish my cleaning. And at least the room of Celine is finished. The dining and the small sala later na. Nobody man say what time become pa at the afternoon. So it's okay. They are coming afternoon pa naman. So now I'm watch that first. I'm making first the room of Celine and the room of Madam. And we have already food for the lunch in Celine. And the mother of Madam Noor, she cooked yesterday also. We have already. That's okay. Kain muna tayo, kain. Make may shay, ayan may shay. Kain muna tayo. Really gigutom na gitid ko. Really ano. Basta kaya ako gigutom na. Pagkatapos ko sa when I finish the Celine, the room of Celine, and the amang Celine, and then the room of Madam, and then after that one, the small sala to kitchen again. Directly to the kitchen, and the dining is the last one. Because the dining, nobody will watch that there. Okay? So eat muna tayo. Kain muna tayo, kain. Ito mga pagkain ko, ano to, mga common food that what I have. The important that I have food and I can eat, okay? So thank you so much, thank you. So my shy, I have lemon of my shy. Sometimes plain shy only, and sometimes also I put lemon. It depends, we have lemon here. Sana yung ketchup. Under salad, later na yung salad. Magano tayo ng kain muna, kain. Sige, kain. Mamaya, kain. Kain muna ako. Hanggang kaya, kain muna. Para ang work tuloy-tuloy. Magbibideo ako kasi kakain naman ako eh. It's okay lang. It's my fish only and my what's that hair. Kumbaga, ano naman yun? Common time, time. Ayan. Ako pag time ko pag kumain, para lang akong Pilipinas. Tabingi yung ano ko, yung cellphone ko kasi kasi yung lagayan. Okay lang. Hindi naman kailangan ano. Ito na rin yung sinasabi nilang mukbang. Ganito ko, di ba nga, pag nag-ano rin ako pag kumain, may mga previous video ko like ganito, bilisan. Kasi nga merong wala ng arte-arte, maniwala ka dyan, arte-arte. I make arte-arte only in the restaurant. Sometimes nga in the restaurant, I'm using my hands. It's hard also. The salmon, if I make a spoon and pork, the bread, you do for the hummus. Kain tayo. Di na ako nag-ano ng electricity. Ilaw. Light. To save the... Okay, thank you again, thank you for watching, and bye. God bless us all, more blessings, and thank you to all of us. Subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, to some blogger that they're still helping to me from the beginning until now, and some blogger also, all the bloggers, all the people in this world. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, to my family, angkan to angkan, both side ni nanay and ni tatay. Thank you, and the family of my amo here, and to us, to all of us. Bye-bye!